Hi, it's Toronto's real estate team at RE/MAX, and here is our July 2016 Toronto real estate market report. It's almost boring if it wasn't so dramatic and a bit scary. July hit several new records for real estate sales and average sale prices during the month. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were up just 1.7% for July compared to last year, with 9,989 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. Sales are actually up 31% above the last 16-year monthly average. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a bigger 34.5% share of the market, with 3,444 units being sold. This percentage of the overall market is a bit above average for July. The July average sale price for all GTA homes came in at an astounding $709,825, a significant 16.5% higher than last year. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how smooth or outrageous the market has been. We had a 43% decline in inventory for the month of July compared to historical numbers, and lower by 32% from last year at this time. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In July, that ratio finished at 88%, up 29% from last year's result, and, as is typical in the summer months, a little slower than the spring market. We're still in an extreme seller market territory, however, and August looks like it's going to be busy too. The days on market average for Toronto homes was just 16. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for July was just under $479,700. That average moved up 6% from the same time last year. With 577 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 19% compared to 2015. There were 977 active listings on the market in July, 33% fewer than last year. The ratio of sales to listings was 59.1%, which puts CO1 into very busy seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 24, 1 day slower than last month. Now east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for July was just over $472,600. That number was up 5.9% compared to 2015. And with 172 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 22% from last year. There were 286 active listings on the market in July, down 30% from 2015. The ratio of sales to listings was 60.1% for the month. That number puts CO8 solidly into very hot seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 21, 1 day slower than last month. Here's a summary of the significant real estate milestones from July. We had the highest number of overall sales for the month of July. The ratio of sales to listings dropped back from 104% in June into extremely busy seller market territory at 88%. Listings were down 32% from July 2015, and we had the most condo sales ever for the month of July, up 55% from 10 years ago. We saw a 16.5% average sale price increase from 1 year ago, and a huge $100,000 increase in the July average sale price compared to July 2015. A recent survey indicated that millennials and Gen Xers are both keen on buying real estate because of low interest rates and FOMO, fear of missing out, with prices rising for both houses and condos. This month, we're looking at Toronto Real Estate Board charts for sales of condominiums in the downtown core, designated as the area from the Don Valley west to Dufferin and from Bloor south to the lake. Amazingly, a largest number of sales are still happening in the $300,000 to $400,000 price range. The big size range purchased is in the 1-bedroom plus den category, with 1-bedroom suites close behind. To upgrade to a 1+ den, the extra cost is approximately $50,000. So what's a terrific way to make your first baby step into Toronto's real estate market and find out where those more affordable choices are? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods with one of our team members. Leave your checkbook at home. What a tour is not intended to do is show you homes with the intention that you would immediately buy one. What it is intended to do is to give you an opportunity to get a clearer idea of what's available on the market in your favorite parts of the city and in your price range, without worrying about being pressured into having to make an immediate buying decision. Once you've had your tour, we want you to go back home and think about what you saw. You'll then be better able to set up a good home buying plan and make smart, educated decisions about where and when you want to be in your new home. You can sign up for your condo tour at marketexperiencetour.com and a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. Check back here in early September for our August 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.